Sean Ricaper here in Panay Ab. What is the address, sir? What was the
132.
store number?
132.
132? Sonri Cafe, 13, number 132, the store. It's a unique store. Here's the sales team. What's your name?
Rani po.
Sanri from Indonesian.
Indonesia.
Wow. It's a coffee store. Sonri Cafe. Yan, her. If you want coffee, punta na kayo dito guys sa Sonri Cafe. Kakaiba yung store nila. It's a unique store. Yan. Dito lang yan along highway. Panay Ab, malapit sa SMDC. SMDC in place yan. Yung store nila. Ang ganda. Sarap ng tinapay nila. Habang nag-aantay ng coffee nila, ay natikman yung coffee nila. No drinks? Soft drinks, no?
We have buttermilk Coke,
What soft drinks?
lemon Coke, and lemon Sprite.
Lemon. Ang ganda. Here. Ang ganda ng ano. Sonri Cafe. Thank you for watching, guys.